Shopify API tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can find API key on Shopify and use it. So for this, just simply open up your Shopify, and after that you will have to click on this option of settings at the bottom of your screen. Just simply open up settings, then scroll down, and on the left hand side panel you will be able to find the option of apps and sales channels. Simply click on it. After that, you need to select the option of develop apps at the top menu, and after that this is how it will appear. Now select the option of allow custom app development. Now wait for it to load, then click on this option of allow custom app development again and wait for it to load. Now this way it will ask you to create an app. Simply click on create an app. Now type any name over here. Let's for example take the name as example and click on create app. Now wait for it to do its work, and this is how it will appear. Now over here you will have to click on this option of API credentials. Now here when you scroll down you will be able to find the option of API key and API secret key. Now over here just simply click on this option of configure storefront API scopes, and after that check these boxes. All the boxes for which you want to automate your functions, just simply check these boxes, and after that click on this option of save. Now wait for it to load and install app, and here you would be able to get your store's API key. Just simply copy it and use it up, and this is how you would be able to utilize the API key on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.